I'm sorry for not posting videos for the last couple months, month or whatever. Been really busy with work and the girlfriend and everything, and messing with this damn truck again. Well, I finally got it licensed. Legal, actually. For once in its measly life, this thing is back on the road for the first time since 2019, July 10th of 2019, actually. Matter of fact, it's missing a bed back here. I'm eventually going to build a flatbed for it. But I figured in the meantime, I'd just go ahead and license it. I got it all legal and everything. I got tail lights and license plate light, and I got mud flaps. It's also got wheel spacers on it, spacing the wheels out a little further. But it's perfectly legal. The old interior. The old lady doesn't like it. She don't like riding in it. It needs some shocks in the front, and the alternator doesn't work, but I charge the battery in the evenings. Well, now I have to ether it all the time to get it started. Well, I figured, why not try to fix the glow plugs in the old girl and actually make it work? So, I tested the 4 on this side. Every one of them was bad. I had a set from the gray truck, actually, that my grandpa gave me, a set of 4. I put 3 on this side and 1 on this side. The 4th one is up under this injector main clamp deal here for the lines. It's under there. You can't really get a socket on it. But if one doesn't work, who cares? But I had a parts engine, and I went down and borrowed some out of it. I took the old ones out of here and stuck in it. And 4 of them are stuck in it, and 4 of them wasn't. So I pulled 4 out. There's only 3 laying here because one of them was bad. But one of these is an original Baru plug from the factory. And I actually think it's this one. Yeah, this is still hot from testing. This is a Baru plug. And then you can buy aftermarkets that are auto lights. That the end tips of them swell up and then they get stuck in there. And yeah, then you got to take a pair of pliers and try to pull them out. A couple of these of the original Baru plugs out of this motor were actually had the tips swelled. But they wasn't bad enough that I couldn't get them out. So, I'm trying to think. I don't know. It's swelled. Somehow I must have got it in that motor down there. Because I don't have any more in my pocket. Just my lighter. But you can test them with a multimeter. Set it to ohms resistance. That one is still very warm. And then you touch one leg to the pin, and it should read 0 ohms, but on a bad one, 10 mil. Better watch out, I might run away. Should read, on the ones that are bad, it reads nothing. It has no current going through it. So, obviously you can tell that they're bad. I'm pretty sure the rest of these are going to be bad. I'll still check them. I might get lucky. One might be good. But that's what I've been doing this evening, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And one of these days we'll do a video on this thing again, and we'll do a video of it going down the road or something. My phone's all kind of weird. It's like super big. But anyway, I can't make it any smaller.